Take out the power cord. This is a power board. Note, please do not cut off this power board. If you cut it will burn the camera. Now connect the power cord and 4-pin connector. Like my operation.
The other end of the power cord is a thin red wire and black wire.
You need to unplug the rubber at the end of the cord. Like my operation. Take out the monitor DC power cord. This is a DC connector. Then connect the power cord in the monitor. You can use a tool to cut off the outer insulator. Be careful not to cut the copper wire. Like my operation. Now merge the two black wires. Then merge the two red wires. Take out the green connector.
The plus sign means positive, the minus sign means negative.
Use a tool to loosen the screw like me. Insert the merged red wire into the positive plus slot of the green connector. Tighten the screw. Insert the merged black wire into the minus slot of the green connector. Tighten the screw. Take out the cigarette lighter adapter. Then plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the green connector. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power. Press the red button. The monitor lights up.
Press up key to switch to the CAM2 channel.
Press the M key to enter the menu mode.
Press the M key to enter the pairing. When in pairing, please turn off and turn on the camera's power and quickly turn on. The image appears on the screen, means that the pairing is successful.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.